playing Death Stranding. Nasty Bird is back. Will he yell? Probably. Be likely. He'd be good. Rough. Might be good. Come here. Hi, Stinky. Ruff. Not a dog. Okay. Put you back. So what happened last time? He was sick or something, stopped working after got chased by mules a little bit. BTs were hanging around. Yeah. Loading screen is killing me.
Verifying ID. Clear. All weapons will remain locked until departure. All clear. Welcome, Sam.
Okay. Gotta go take care of BB.
Dead man, you there? Little help?
Okay, Sam. Remove the pod and connect it to that incubator.
What?
It's in.
Good. A temporary excessive stress. Easily addressed if we return it to its mother's womb.
Mother?
Located in the capital Knot City ICU. Brain dead, of course.
You mean still mother?
Correct. A steel mother's womb facilitates a connection between the world of the dead and the BB. And you, in turn,
Stop that.
connect yourself to a BB, granting you the ability to sense BTs. These pods were designed to simulate the conditions inside a still mother's womb. BBs need to believe they're in one at all times to function properly. However, we can only maintain this deception for so long, which is why we must periodically update the environmental data by synchronizing it with a still mother via the chiral network. There. The update is in progress. Right now, the pod is synchronizing with the steel mother in capital Knot City and reconfiguring its settings based on the latest data. Returning your BB to the womb in this manner will temporarily reduce its stress levels. That being where it technically belongs, of course.
Happy
Kid looks
BB.
I'll try adjusting the oxytocin dosage. Autotoxemia should set in much slower from now on. You should remember that BBs are just equipment. Try not to get attached. Each one has been physically removed from its steel mother's womb. A process that renders them unpredictable and prone to failure. No BB on record has remained in service for over a year. It may need to be retired before this expedition is over.
My BB. No way.
You saying there's no way to keep my BB alive?
He said my BB.
You must understand, there is still a great deal we don't know about BBs. As we expand the chiral network and recover more past data, perhaps we'll find our answers. Oh, right. You asked me to look into why the BTs might be reacting to your blood. I spoke with Hartman. We should have your results soon. Anyway,
Why are you
get
so
some rest.
creepy?
You and your BB are both exhausted. Good night, Sam.
Kind of unsettling, his presence. Cozy BB.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Sam,
She is.
can you see me?
Why would you wake me up like
How are
that?
things over there?
Still not under guard, still not chained up, still can't leave. But if you can keep making connections, if you can get to me, we can go back east, back home.
Huh?
Thank you. I
Eagle.
mean that. It's bad. There are fewer and fewer people in the cities these days. No one's having children anymore. But humans aren't made for living alone. They're supposed to come together, to help one another. And if we as a people can't do that, if we can't reconnect, then, well, it's like Bridget said, extinction.
Come on. Rebuilding America isn't gonna get rid of the BTs. As long as they're still around, there's no escaping it.
But at least we'll have hope.
Touch me.
I'll be waiting, Sam.
The beach.
Waiting for you. Come and find me.
Too naughty. Whoa.
Hello, Sam. This is Hartman. Since you're awake, it might behoove you to freshen up. To
I'll
that end,
freshen up.
why not take a shower? It's good for the body and soul, and also my research as it happens.
Guys, there's 5 more monsters. I gotta energize for my day. I gotta refuel. Hmm. One down. He loves that green juice so much. Maybe one more. Maybe 2 more. What if there's like a secret ending where you just die of cardiac arrest? I'm gonna get that ending. You talking over me? Come here. Step up. What are you saying? What? Eagle. Barn eagle. That's for sure. Okay. I'm gonna wear my stupid sunglasses. Pretty cool. What's BB doing? He's just sleeping. Sleeping away.
Oh,
Not scared. Guess let's give him our body sample. That was like a whole butt.
Deadman relayed your request to me, as I oversee BT research.
My
I'll be taking a
goodness.
sample of your shower water in order to study the effects your bodily fluids might have on a BT.
study other people with dooms?
Everyone in Bridges, myself and Mama. Results thus far are inconclusive. But you possess other singular qualities, being a repatriate as well. I must confess to a measure of
Hi.
optimism.
Processing fluids. Waste products. Chirelling. Dispensing.
Come here.
There. Take the sample with you. Should the opportunity arise, try using it on a BT. I'm curious to see how they react. Who knows? It may even prove beneficial to you. There was an old research paper detailing the effects of bodily fluids from individuals like us on BTs. It is only by recovering these materials that we can unearth the knowledge of the past. Not just the Death Stranding, but also the mystery of your body's unique properties and even our doom's affliction. There may well be hope for humanity. Sam, I have no interest in rebuilding America. I want to recover the past. Oh, it's almost time.
Time for what?
After you make your connections and nothing happens, then what? I said, then what?
It's a crazy, lonely man.
Sam, sorry to bother you while you're taking a break, but I figured you'd want to hear this. Hell, maybe it'll help you rest easier. We received a number of messages addressed to you. I've not taken a look myself, but I gather they're mostly from your clients. You should see if they contain any useful information. Mail can be accessed via your cufflinks, as well as the terminal in your private room. There's something else I'd like to share with you. With the Cairo network, we now have the power to reclaim our past. Data once thought lost forever from every corner of America can be pieced back together from fragmented records. Our archives are still a work in progress, of course. But as we expand the network and integrate more way stations and cities, we'll be able to recover more and more information, such as the previous expedition's logs and reports. Everything they sent back was lost when Central Knot City was destroyed. Now, we've managed to restore some already, in fact. You can access them from a private room terminal or your cufflinks by selecting Archives. Might make for interesting reading.
Okie Eagle. You're an eagle? Eagle. He's an eagle. Okay. Plug in my BB. It's daddy time.
You said you'd do everything in your power to save BB.
We are. But we cannot release your son just yet. Believe me when I tell you it's for the best.
System woman in the mask who's done nothing but lie to me.
Sam, there's something I forgot to tell you. It's about managing your BB stress levels and reducing the risk of autotoxemic attacks.
You tell me
There
that
are
right
a few
away.
things you can do if your BB starts showing signs of distress.
Such as?
Such as take a moment to look after it. Cradle the pod, gently rock it, that sort of thing. Out of curiosity, how's it doing at the moment?
Before I answer that,
Something wrong?
when I hook up my BB, I see things.
What kind of things?
Daddy.
Like a face, someone I don't know, calling to me. There's this room, too, with other people talking, but I can't make out the words.
Bleed-through effect. Didn't I warn you about this? You're mistaking the BB's memories for your own. They're false flashbacks, nothing more. Let me explain. A BB is harvested from its steel mother at around 28 weeks and placed in
Eagle.
a pod. To be clear, this is before it's even born. The procedure halts its development. But even at 28 weeks, its sensory systems have matured enough to process external stimuli. It is more than capable of encoding this information into memories, which can bleed into yours via your connection.
So who's the man I saw?
Someone from the medical team, maybe? Or a BB technician? Does it matter? The BB has been in circulation for a while now. It's been handled by a lot of people. How should I know which one made an impression?
'Cause you're the expert.
No one's an expert, Sam. BBs were developed decades ago in secret. They're your quintessential black boxes. We may use them, but we don't truly understand them. Believe me, I've been trying to learn more, but almost all of the old records are gone. If I find anything out, I'll tell you, all right? Dead man's honor.
I'm gonna soothe BB.
It's okay. It's alright.
Heart bubbles. B. E. Oh. Like it? Alright. Me and my happy baby.
Sam, check the delivery terminal and review the list of orders.
I know.
While you're resting, I ran some network diagnostics. Beryllium monitoring and holographic systems are nominal. Unfortunately, our printer is offline. I know. After all the trouble you went through to bring us those materials.
I walked down a road.
This one's on us.
I got stuck in a river for a while.
But it never arrived. The printer needs it to communicate with the chiral network. Mules must have snatched it, caught that porter en route or something. If I'm right, they'll have taken it to their drop site, which is smack dab in the middle of their territory. Don't suppose you'd be up for stealing us our property back? Can't think of anyone more qualified than you.
Wait. Sounds like a stealth mission. Which I can't do. Okay. Try it. Both, I guess.
Mama's added a watchtower schematic to your PCC. If you don't have it on you, consider fabricating one. You never know when you'll need to recon an area.
Okay. No. I didn't mean to do that.
Mama's added.
Consider
If you don't
bringing
have it
some
on you, you never know when
PC.
you'll need to.
Build a watchtower. Blah 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 blah. Head out.
That thing you're holding is a crystal collector. Now, as the name suggests, it provides secure storage for any crystals you gather.
I'm gonna collect a bunch of crystals and then charge them in the night. They'll protect me.
Allow me to describe your quarry. Chiral crystals appear gold to the naked eye and are frequently found in formations resembling human handprints. Surrounding rocks and debris tend to float a few feet above the ground. And they are most commonly found in areas with high precipitation. Got all that? Rain, floating rocks, golden handprints. That's your trifecta. Look for these three things and you'll find the crystals. If you've been especially observant, then perhaps you already know where to look.
Yeah, they're everywhere.
Beginning scan. Have a pleasant journey.
He didn't really explain why the crystals are gold hand-shaped. Whatever. Oh, so many signs.
Keep on keeping on.
I like them. King. Fine.
Weapons restrictions lifted.
Sam, chiral crystals are pretty small and can be difficult to spot with the naked eye. I'd advise you use your ultra deck to point you in the right direction. If you want to survey a wider area, though, you might consider building a watchtower and relying on its sensors.
I pushed the wrong button and... Oh, BB, no. No. It's okay, BB. It's okay. Sorry, BB. 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 What's that?
Just a bit further now.
I see some crystals. They're hand-shaped and gold. This one's 2 hands. Gross. $100. Which do I have? Well. Oh. Here we go. Sneak. That's enough. Let's go. I like that it cheers for me. All right, a bike. I forgot about that.
Beginning scan. Scanning bridges ID.
Sam, clear. Chiral crystal deliveries are a little different from usual. The process is pretty simple, though. Access the delivery terminal to drop off any chiral crystals you're carrying.
Okay, that sounds normal. Maybe not. Oh, I do have to recycle it. Okay. Should have said recycle it. Okay. That's all the crystals?
Got some chiral crystals for us? These crystals only form in places with elevated chiralium levels.
Yes,
Which
I
makes
know.
me wonder if expanding the network had something to do with it. Damn, son. That is a lot of crystals.
That was like
Maintenance
nothing.
and R&D will both get their fill, looks like.
Okay.
Excess chiral crystal. These local stores include materials that you can draw upon to fabricate equipment as needed.
Okay.
Good work, Sam. It seems your connection level is increasing. As your connection level increases, larger quantities of resources will be made available to you at our facilities.
Okay. Good to me. A skilled hacker.
Oh, before I forget. This is for you.
Some metal.
That's container repair spray
Oh.
for patching. Good for dealing with timefall degradation and all that. Useful stuff if you and your cargo have been through the ringer. We've added it to your supplies list, so it's readily available if and when you need it.
Okay. That's actually probably convenient. I feel like I'm carrying a lot.
VC.
See you around. Oh,
There is a correlation between elevated chiralium levels and increased crystal formation. This may well be the result of the network's expansion. You needn't worry though. Local chiral density is still within an acceptable range.
oh, that's good.
If you find any more, be sure to collect it. You'll be well rewarded.
If you you come into more chiral crystals, you can submit them at one of our facilities.
Steve just said
And you can
that.
deposit other resources too, along with any items you don't need. Everything has its value. What we don't use as is can be broken down into components for R&D and other applications.
Okay. They really repeat things a lot.
Have a pleasant journey. Still got work to do, Sam. Let's not keep people waiting.
Absolutely not. Never. Right, a bike.
Weapons restrictions lifted.
Oh, I can't use it.
Sam? Seems like that bike's auto-charging unit is busted. If you want to take it for a spin, you'll need to use a generator to give it some juice.
Fine. I didn't want to ride it anyways. I wanted to walk the whole game. So, I have to go here. Right. This direction? Why isn't it showing me?
Beginning scanning bridges ID. Verifying ID. Clear.
Name
All
Sam.
weapons will remain locked until departure.
Whoa!
Clear. Welcome, Sam Porter Bridges.
Whoa!
Weapons restrictions lifted.
There it is.
Hello.
Hello!
Beginning scan. Scanning
Oh.
bridges ID.
This person loves
Verifying
BB.
ID. Clear. All weapons will remain locked until departure. All clear. Welcome, Sam Porter. Weapons restrictions lifted.
Call it a rule or a habit, but most mules almost always bring stolen shipments home with them. Find the post box, steal back the cargo. Simple as that. But be careful, these guys are armed. If this goes sideways, be ready to fight.
Okay, so I think they can only tag me if I have cargo on me. So I'll just leave my stuff somewhere and come back for it. Just a floating ladder. What do I do about that? Right. Yeah.
Remember, Sam, before you approach the mule drop site, we recommend you use a watchtower to confirm the location of the post box containing our cargo.
What you looking for, dumbass?
Scream that. Why would you do that? Alright, I'm gonna leave my stuff here. I'm gonna like this ladder even though it's not helpful at all. Okay. we go. Just leave it all on the ground. Such an orderly fashion. Wow.
Drop sites are rarely deserted, so remaining undetected is key.
Does he see me?
Keep a low profile and move slowly to minimize noise.
Okay, I think that's the only guy. Oh, nope. Okay. That is not the only guy. I need that. Take these two. Yeah. Well, that seems pretty heavy though. Thanks for the junk, suckers. Yeah. It's so heavy. Uh-oh. Let's just run with all the stuff. Nope. All my things. Oh, oh, oh. Nope. Grab ladder. Down. You'll never catch me. The slowest man in the world. Oh!
Mules. Damn addicts chasing a cargo high. Shame we gotta deal with their bullshit at all. Back in the day, AI did everything. Deliveries were handled by unmanned vehicles and drones. And all we had to do was sit back and let them work. It was revolutionary.
Oh no!
Singularity. No reason for it not to take off. But it didn't. People didn't like it when we took the human element out of the service industry. So, after some consideration, we put it back in. Made jobs no one really needed and gave them to folks who couldn't live without them. And from there, it snowballed. Now we got cults of cargo-chasing crazies who get off on hijacking shipments. Jackal's always on the lookout for the next porter. Make sure you're not him.
Oh, that's not me.
Beginning scan. Scanning bridges
I like that ladder was a booby trap.
clear.